Hey guys, Mark with Damascus Enterprises. We're here in Frederick, Maryland. Today we are going to do a pond reno. This is a semi-formal pond, I guess is what we consider it. What we're going to do is this pond right now has a bottom drain. We are going to eliminate that bottom drain. We're going to open this pond up a little bit more so it's more of a natural shape in here instead of, you know, long and skinny. We are going to add a skimmer over here behind this plant, and we are going to remove the pressure filter that is up behind the bush here, and that's where we're going to start our stream. We're going to install a Biofalls 2500 and have our stream come down and around and flow right into the pond here. So we're going to get started and start getting these bricks out of here and start digging down, and we'll give you guys an update later. Thanks. Hey guys, Mark with Damascus Enterprises. We're back here in Frederick, Maryland. As you can see, we've made some progress. It's actually the end of day 2 with a lot of hard soil, a lot of tree roots, a lot of some surprises for us. We've actually got the liner in, underlayment, and started stacking our stone up against our wall here. So we'll bring in some more stone tomorrow and finish stacking our wall, do our sides, and finish our waterfall, and hopefully it'll be running tomorrow afternoon. Thank you very much for watching.